Hello everyone, welcome to Sunshine and Country again. We're going to be putting up this storm door. Not really an instructional video on how to do it. Just follow the directions on the door itself. But just going to show before and after. We're putting on our front door here. Let's turn it that way. Got our front door here. Just so we can leave our main front door open and let more light in through the storm door. It's a full view glass, but it also has a roll up type screen that's kind of pretty interesting, that the screen comes down when you open it. So we'll show you that after we get done with it, but just and then the before and after picture. One thing we do want to make y'all notice of though is if you have any kind of aluminum siding or siding covering your door jamb area, you're gonna have to remove that first. So we're working on that right now. We tried to put it on without taking this part off, just this cap. Just an aluminum cap around this door area, but this edge here keeps it off of the wood too much, so we can't set it all the way in, and you're not going to be able to put your hinge frame on because it's not biting into the wood. So we learned it the hard way, so now we're just going to have to take the nails out of here and take the caps off and just leave them off, so we can install this door. So just for those of you that have something like this, these will have to be removed first. Alright, y'all have a good one. We'll be back to show you the after pictures after it gets up. Hello, just adding this quick FYI here. When you're installing these doors, when you hang the door, make sure that this hinge frame here isn't all the way up against the top of the door frame, because the next step is putting the seal on, which we technically don't need, but we still need it to keep air out because it does have the seal strip there. But as you can see, it's hitting it right there, so it needs to come down. So when you install this frame, make sure it's down all the way against the floor seal there. We're going to move it down so that we have enough clearance to put our weather drip strip there. So they don't tell you that in the instructions, but it's something to be aware of. This is the Larson brand. So the door is a Larson brand door, and the instructions there don't tell you to do that, to watch out for that. So if you're installing this door, make sure you check that first before you put the door hinge on. We're gonna have to remove it and then set it back in place. Hello, welcome back, Sunshine and Country. We finished the install for the storm door. Nothing major, just follow the instruction. Only, like I mentioned before, I would put the drip strip on first before you set your hinge plates and this side plate, the lock plate. That way you don't have to guess on how high up you need to go with that. We had to remove this originally because it said to put this on first, but really you need to put on the drip strip first so that you know about how much gap you're going to need, or how many distance you have to go down from your hinge strip, and also on this side. So overall, this door is a very good door. We thoroughly enjoyed it. It has a really neat screen feature. Instead of the screen being already on there, it actually comes down. It's like a roll down screen from the inside. Let's show you that real quick. So this is the lock port here. Just undo that, and then you just pull down the top, and see how the screen, it just rolls down from up in here. And you have your screen, and then when you don't need it, it rolls right back up, and you have your glass. So that's one really neat feature that we haven't seen with other storm doors. So really enjoying it now. We have a good, nice, cool, breezy day, so we're going to leave this open and leave the screen open so that we can save on electricity. And then the lock thing here, it's a little bit different than what I'm normally used to, and maybe some of y'all are as well. So I'll show you how that works. So there was a little bit of a trick to it, but pushing it in will lock it. and it actually automatically opens it afterwards, so you don't have to push it or pull on it anymore. All you gotta do is push on the door itself and it'll automatically close back in as soon as you push out on the door. So now you have really windy days, that might not be a good thing, because if it blows it open a little bit like that on a windy day, then you know, you'll have an issue. But this door is in an area where even if it's windy, it may not catch it as much because we're under a covered porch here. So, but on windy days, it'll be the only thing that could cause an issue with this type of locking mechanism. But other than that, it works fine. But just remember, you don't have to click it or push on it anymore. Just closes up. So that's a quick review of our storm door. Hope y'all enjoy it and would recommend this one. It's the Larson brand. So, welcome.